Let me show you how I made this simple red lentil bread that turns out soft, hearty, and so satisfying. It's gluten-free, high protein, and you only need a few basic ingredients. First, add 2½ cups of soaked and drained red lentils to a mixing bowl. Then add half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Use a blender or food processor to blend the lentils until the mixture is smooth, thick, and creamy, almost like a thick batter. Next, add 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast to 2/5 cup of lukewarm water. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir it with a spoon until the yeast starts to dissolve. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until the yeast gets foamy on the top, as you can see here. Next, pour the yeast mixture into the blended lentils and mix until everything is nicely combined. If you like healthy bread recipes, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss my new recipes when I post them. Next, line your loaf pan with parchment paper. Then scoop the batter into it. You can use 1 regular loaf pan, but I have smaller loaf pans, so I use 2 and divide the batter between them. Then, cover the loaf pans with a kitchen towel and leave them in a warm spot for about 1 hour. They are ready when the batter looks puffier and has risen a little. I like to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top before baking for a little crunch and extra flavor. Sesame seeds also give the loaves a nice finished look once they come out of the oven. Bake the lentil bread in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the tops of the loaves are golden brown. Once the bread is ready, let it cool for a bit before taking the loaves out of the pan. This gives the bread a chance to set, which makes it easier to remove without breaking or falling apart. It also makes the parchment paper easier to peel away cleanly. This lentil bread is soft inside with a nice, hearty bite. The flavor is mild and savory with a light, earthy taste from the lentils. It feels like a good homemade loaf of bread, not heavy or dry at all. If you want another easy, healthy bread recipe, be sure to check out this easy lentil bread rolls recipe video here also. Check it out now!